Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select ripe, firm strawberries, ensuring they are free of blemishes. Wash them gently under cool water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering properly. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out parchment paper and setting up a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl for melting your chocolate. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Now let's melt that delicious chocolate. For the best taste and texture, opt for a good quality chocolate, whether it's chips or a bar. If using a double boiler, gently heat the chocolate over simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. If microwaving, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's completely smooth. The goal is a silky, pourable consistency, perfect for dipping. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part. Dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem or hull, then submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat evenly. Lift the strawberry and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. For an extra touch, you can drizzle with white chocolate or sprinkle with nuts before the chocolate sets. Be creative. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, it's crucial to let the chocolate set properly. Place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is firm to the touch. This ensures a beautiful, non-messy finish. They are best enjoyed within 1 to 2 days for optimal freshness. These treats are perfect for parties, gifts, or simply indulging yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.